Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to invite friends on Wish. To invite friends on Wish, the first thing you'll need to do is to launch open the Wish application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your Wish account like you normally do. After you're inside the main home page, go to the bottom right hand corner of the screen and tap on the menu button. Now, click on Invite Friends under Rewards and Promotions. You will now be able to choose any messaging app or the platform from where you can share the message. You can also tap on the copy button and go to any messaging applications like WhatsApp or Messenger, and then select a contact and paste in the link that you just copied and send it to the contact. Soon after you do that, you will be able to invite a friend on Wish. When any new user uses a referral link and completes their first purchase, you will be able to receive rewards by Wish. So that is how you will be able to invite friends on Wish in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.